An arm-length model of Boeing's CST-100 spacecraft on an Atlas V rocket arrived at NASA's Langley Research Center in Virginia for important evaluations in a wind tunnel this year. The model, carefully designed for the intense conditions it will see during testing, will be placed in the Transonic Dynamics Tunnel at Langley, where giant fans will simulate launch and flight conditions the CST-100 would encounter during an abort from a United Launch Alliance Atlas V. This test will provide engineers with the data needed to be confident that the spacecraft can safely accelerate and maneuver away from the rocket during an emergency. The CST-100 is one of several spacecraft under development by aerospace industry partners working with NASA's Commercial Crew Program to establish crew transportation to low Earth orbit from U.S. soil.